Hello, dear student. What you have to do is the following. You have to enter the knowledge environment. So you click on knowledge environment, and then you have the activities, you have the learning program, and the documentary resources or sources. Sorry. And here you click on the first unit. For example, you click on this unit, and I'm sorry. Here we have the activities. I mean the unit 1, which is talking about origins and occupations. Then you scroll down, and on the left corner, right, on the left down corner, you can click on unit 1. Okay, you click there, and you will have the different activities. Sometimes the Adobe Flash player is not working, so you have to allow it. You click here, and sometimes in my computer it appears like this. You allow the use of Adobe, and then you can see the activities. Okay, right? You can see the week 1, for example, index, and you have all the activities, right? You click on writing, right? You click on writing, and the writing says write 8 sentences telling us about your family. Okay, I can select this, right? I can select this, or for example, in the majority of cases, you have other activities to do. So please be careful when you do these activities, okay? Tengan mucho cuidado. Vamos a la parte de writing, escritura, y seleccionamos allí y realizamos lo que nos dice la actividad, ¿ok? Quedo muy pendiente. Recuerden que mi Skype es luisgarzón85. Bye bye, see you.